If you're anything like me, you've made hundreds of half-baked, cobbled together game demos that go absolutely nowhere.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
So this time, I'm going to try and make a game, start to finish, and release it on Steam for millions to play. So I'm going to start off with a simple game. I don't want this project to be too long, so I'm going to focus on the basics. It's going to be a simple twin-stick shooter. You just move around the map, shooting the bad guys on your way to the exit of each level. No upgrades, no customization, super simple. That's how I'm actually going to get this done. The first thing I need are some assets, and I could buy some off the store, but I like to be creative with my projects, so I'm going to be creating these all by hand. I don't see this becoming an issue whatsoever, so it's time to get to work. Okay, well I need a player, some enemies, weapons, I need environment. That's actually a lot of things. Maybe I could just download a few just for inspiration. I'm sure I can replace those later. Okay, and here's the prototype I made for this game. You play as this little guy and can run and shoot with all these enemies charging head on at you. I ran into a few hiccups with the assets. Yes, they're not all mine, but I did make that crate you just saw 2 seconds ago, and I bet you couldn't even see it until I told you. Okay, so I've been playing this demo for 3 minutes now, and I can see there's still something missing, and I've had a few ideas I'm just going to expand on.
Oh shit, here we go again.
So that's where Globatron the Destroyer, ruler of Ag, comes in. There's the cheese throwing contest to win the princess's hand in marriage, of course. A 1,000-player battle royale mode with 26 seasons of content. Fully customizable characters, each one unique to your account, so no two players are alike. And a menu. Okay, so those are the little bits I want to add into the game. I think this will take me about 5 minutes to do so I'll see you in a little bit with some updates.
Many minutes later.
Guys, I'm feeling rather burnt out with this project. I don't exactly know where I went wrong, but the scope seems a bit too much for me at the moment. I only have 12 minutes of free time a week, and I can't see this game getting done until May, about 74 years from now. The code is all a mess. The YouTube tutorials don't say anything about this. And I found this file called coconut.jpg. I don't know why it's there, but if I remove it, then the game doesn't work. I need some time to think this through. Hey, welcome back, and today I'm going to be starting a brand new project. I know the last one didn't work out too well, I've cancelled that, and instead I'm going to learn from my mistakes and make something a bit more structured. So I'm going to be working on an open world RPG roguelike, deck building, stealth combat city builder, MMO platforming, Souls-like farming sim with a shop management FPS minigame. I think this will take me a week or two to get done, so just look forward to that. I promise you it's coming, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!